Hello guys, welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel, this is Natural Good. Hello and welcome. If you are new subscriber, welcome back and welcome once again. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make easy hair moisturizer that keeps your hair growing long and healthy and looking shining all day long or even all week long. Today I'll be using my pure almond oil. This tiny thing, we call it placenta. I don't know if that's the original name, and it is totally optional. I'll be using my aloe vera. I'll be using my blue I can't remember the blue something hair cream. You see the name on the tag. I initially put the clove, but going down the lane, by the time I was almost done, I didn't want to add the cloves again, so I removed the cloves from the whole mixture. So if you still want to add your cloves, you can, but I didn't eventually add it and it came out well. So I'll be peeling my aloe vera and I'll be removing all the gel as much as I can. I'll be bringing out all the lumps from it. So guys, just continue to watch this video to the end and the results will shock you. Please make sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed. This is the right time for you to subscribe and be patient enough to watch this video to the end. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support all the way. So this oil is what I personally found that just doing this alone makes my hair soft and moisturized, fully moisturized. And if you see the way my hair bounces after using this, maybe I should make a video of that one of these days. But for today, I will only be showing you how to make this moisturizer. So I scooped in a few spoons of my hair cream. Note you can use any hair cream, but I just prefer this Blue Magic original hair cream just for this purpose. You can use any other hair cream you have as long as it is okay with your hair. And then I put in a few drops of the placenta. I can't say it's a oil, I can't say it's a liquid with a water, but it's a liquid. So I put in few drops of it and I mixed it thoroughly. And then I added a few spoons of almond. I don't know if I did that on camera. I added a few spoons of almond oil and I mixed it together too. Then I went ahead to add my aloe vera. This I would advise you do gradually because you know aloe vera juice can be slippery. So if you are adding it one at a go, then you have to use a bigger bowl, else it will slip off. As you can see, I still have some particles from the aloe vera. Even after squeezing with my sieve, I used the wig cap that we normally use under our wig, but some particles still came out. And because my bowl was small, it kept spilling over. But anyways, I kept struggling with it. I kept mixing and mixing and mixing, not giving up. Continue to mix until you have a smooth consistency and you have exhausted all your aloe vera. At this point, I was just catching cruise with it. I had already mixed it to the extent that I wanted, but I just wanted to. It was just feeling fine. You know, the way you mix and the thing is smooth. So I continued mixing until I was like, well, let's drop this thing, Jerry. So that was when I dropped it. You can then, after this whole mixture, you can then put everything in a container. If you have any container of your choice. This container I'm using is from one of my old hair creams, my previous hair creams. So I don't discard containers any longer. So I'm just going to put it in there and then I'm going to store it for subsequent use. So you can make a larger volume, you can make a smaller volume, but I'm telling you, even after this thing still remains the way it was when I made it. It did not go separate. The aloe vera did not separate from the other products. So guys, I hope you try this out. If you try it out, let me know in the comment section. See you guys in my next video and please watch the previous videos. Love you guys.